Hey there, friends. Meteorologist Shane Smith here with you. It is Tuesday, September 23rd, 2025, and we're tracking showers and thunderstorms moving across the Commonwealth tonight. Let's take a look at what's going on using Radar Omega. You can see we've had a few showers move into western Kentucky. There's been periods of heavy rain to our south, flash flood warnings south of Nashville, back over towards Memphis, and also a severe weather outbreak across the southern plains tonight as a very potent area of low pressure is working its way from Oklahoma City over towards Little Rock, and that low pressure will bring us thunderstorms again tomorrow. And this cold front ahead of it, bringing us the thunderstorms we're seeing tonight, and those will linger on into early for your Wednesday morning. Now, here is a look at the storm prediction outlook for tomorrow. Most of the state under a marginal risk. Would not surprise me if some locations got upgraded to a slight risk with the morning update, especially in eastern Kentucky and central Kentucky. I think we're going to have enough spin in the atmosphere. We could get a stronger thunderstorm or two, isolated spin up possible. So right now we're just looking at that marginal risk, which means, excuse me, an isolated severe thunderstorm possible, limited in duration, coverage, and intensity. Now we are under a 15% chance, a slight risk of excessive rainfall, pretty much from I-65 east. So a 2 out of 4 on the excessive rainfall scale. And that means scattered flash flooding is possible on your Wednesday. So the rain as it falls during the day on Wednesday going to be quite heavy at times. Let's see how it all plays out using the HRRR model. We'll take you through the overnight tonight. You're going to see scattered thunderstorms, some of them strong. Don't think we'll see anything severe overnight, but heavy rain likely. This is 7 a.m. rain from Corbin back to Somerset and Bowling Green. A few thunderstorms moving into the Louisville metro just in time for rush hour. This rain, as we go into lunchtime, 12 o'clock East Coast time, the heaviest going to be lined up from Pikeville down to Middlesboro, right along the Kentucky-Virginia border, with scattered thunderstorms right along the Ohio River from Louisville back over towards Evansville. We go into the afternoon on Wednesday, we'll see the thunderstorms increase in coverage and intensity as that next area of low pressure moves in. I think we're going to see severe weather. It's going to be tomorrow evening as that low pressure moves by. We'll have to watch out for that because we'll have a warm front lifting in, then the cold front wrapping in behind with that low pressure on top of us. A lot of spin. Would not surprise me if we get an isolated spin up or two tomorrow. That lifts on out to the east. Thursday, we get some lingering backside thunderstorms, very scattered in nature, not looking like a washout by any stretch, but a few rounds of thunderstorms likely on Thursday, and then maybe even one or two of those linger into Friday. All right, here's rainfall totals from the HRRR model. You'll notice 3 to 4 inches in central Kentucky if this model verifies. Anywhere the yellow is showing up, that's 3 inches plus. That's enough to cause some problems, although flash flood guidance is kind of high in a lot of spots right now just because of how hot and dry we've been. But we may see enough to still spark off some isolated flooding concerns. 1 or 2 showers possible on Friday. Saturday is going to be interesting. Saturday is going to depend a lot on what happens down along the East Coast, whether or not we get something tropical or just an area of low pressure getting hung out to dry and not really going anywhere and slinging showers our way Saturday and Sunday. I've still got some questions about how exactly that's going to play out. But just know there's an elevated rain chance. We'll call it 30 to 40%, especially east of I-75. Western Kentucky, I don't think we'll see as much precipitation this weekend, but there is at least a chance in eastern Kentucky of a few showers, and you'll see that showing up on the European and the GFS precipitation total forecast over the next 6 days or so. It's showing kind of a general 2 to 3 isolated higher amount type event in the mountains of eastern Kentucky. So a little bit more rain for the weekend for my friends in the mountains. Okay, here's a look at the 10-day forecast, and you're going to see those temperatures going to be dropping back to around where we should be. We should be upper 70s, upper 50s for lows, We're going to be close to that a lot of days over the next coming weeks. You're going to see pretty much the coldest day going to be on Thursday as that cold front passes by. Should rebound a little bit by the end of the weekend into early next week. Then it looks like we're going to get another frontal system sometime midweek next week. That'll likely bring us some more rain and knock those temperatures down for a day or two, and may even be a little stronger than what the models are showing right now. They've been kind of bouncing back and forth on how strong that next cold snap is going to be. But regardless, tomorrow, just a day to stay weather aware again. Best chance of severe weather going to be in the evening tomorrow, and that's something we'll keep a close eye on. And I'll try to have updates as possible. If you like what we're doing here, please hit the like or subscribe button, depending on which platform you're on. Share the video out. It helps a lot when we have more viewers on there and they can see what we're doing here. And as always, friends, I'm meteorologist Shane Smith. Take care. Stay weather aware. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye now, y'all.